Do you want to make a delicious ice cream at your home? For that, if you want to buy a best ice cream maker machine, then you are at the right place. Because in this video, we are going to review the top 5 best ice cream maker machines which you can buy at the end of this video according to your need. But before we do the review of these 5 ice cream maker machines, let me first of all tell you that what are the types of ice cream maker machines available in the market. The first type is the ice and salt bucket ice cream maker machine. The second type is the canister type ice cream maker machine. And the third and the last type is the built-in compressor type ice cream maker machine. So let us first understand how ice and salt bucket ice cream maker machine works. Making ice cream in this machine is much more easier than the other 2 ice cream maker machines. This machine consists of 2 main components, that is the canister and the motor. Canister is placed at the middle of the bucket in which you have to add the ingredients for making the ice cream, while the job of the electric motor is to churning the ingredients for making ice cream. And the most important thing you have to do for making ice cream in this machine is to add the layer of ice and salt, without which it is impossible to make ice cream in this machine. Once you plug in, the motor will start churning the ingredients of ice cream, and after a few minutes your ice cream will be ready. This type of ice cream maker machine is much more cheaper than the other 2 ice cream maker machines like canister type and built-in compressor type. Now let us understand that how does canister type ice cream maker machine works. This type of machine consists of frozen bowl, which you have to keep in the freezer of your refrigerator for 24 hours before making the ice cream. If you think that the 24 hours is much more time, then you should keep it at least for overnight to get the best results. This type of ice cream maker machines comes with the mixing pedals, which makes the ice cream making process faster. It also have an ingredient spout through which you can add the ingredients while making the ice cream. The canister type of ice cream maker machines are neither too expensive nor too cheap. These are easy to afford. Now let's talk about the built-in compressor type ice cream maker machine. This type of machine have a built-in compressor which makes the ice cream making process fully automatic. You don't need to put your efforts manually for making ice cream in this type of machine. The built-in compressor will do everything for you. You just simply need to add ingredients while making ice cream. The biggest advantage of this type of ice cream maker machine is that there is no pre-freezing required, as you can make batch after batch of ice creams anytime whenever you need. But the only problem is that this type of machines are a bit expensive in comparison to previous 2 types of ice cream makers. Well, it's your choice. You have to decide which type of ice cream maker machine you want to buy. I am going to list down the 5 best ice cream maker machines in this video. Out of these 5 machines, one is canister type, 2 are built-in compressor type, while remaining 2 are ice and salt bucket type ice cream maker machines. The best buying links of all these ice cream maker machines are given below in the description tab of this video. You can directly go to the link and check out these machines. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with our list. On number 5, we have placed the Nostalgia ice and salt bucket type ice cream maker machine. This ice cream maker machine comes with the plastic bucket, which is easy to clean after making ice cream. Its capacity is 4 quarts and it have easy to carry handle, allows you to carry this machine wherever you go. This ice cream maker comes with the aluminum canister in which you have to add the ingredients for making ice cream, which I have told you earlier. It have electric motor which churns all the ingredients of ice cream. Just simply add your favorite ingredients and flavors into the canister for making ice cream. Layer the canister with ice and salt, plug in, and electric motor will do the rest. The motor will start churning your ice cream ingredients, and after a few minutes your delicious ice cream will be ready. To know the price of every ice cream maker, please check out the best buying link given in the description tab of this video. On number 4, it comes Hamilton Beach 68330N ice cream maker. This is also a salt and ice bucket type ice cream maker machine which is similar to previous one. This have the same feature which Nostalgia ice cream maker have, only the difference is price. On number 3, it comes Cuisinart ICE70 canister type ice cream maker machine. At a one push of a button, this machine will make the 2 quarts of ice cream for you in just 20 minutes. This machine have the faster mixing pedal which makes the ice cream making process pretty fast. This ice cream maker comes with the LCD screen, control panel and countdown timer. This machine allows you to make ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt or sorbet at multiple speeds by using its 3-setting feature. This machine has the ingredient spout through which you can add the ingredients while making the ice cream, and in the end it also have the auto shut off feature. Cuisinart is one of the most popular and leading brand, so you can trust this ice cream maker blindly. You can go with this machine without any hesitation if you want to buy. On number 2, we have placed the Cuisinart ICE100 ice cream maker machine. This ice cream maker is a built-in compressor type machine which avoids pre-freezing and your manual effort of making the ice cream. It has built-in compressor, therefore the ice cream making process in this machine is fully automatic. This machine comes with the 2 pedals, one is for gelato making and other is for ice cream making. Its capacity is 1.5 quart and it comes with the features like blue LCD, touchpad controls and 60-minute countdown timer. Its 10-minute keep cool feature keeps your ice cream or gelato cool even after the timer has gone off. Check out the link of this product given in the description tab of this video. So on number 1, we have placed the Winter ICM201SB built-in compressor type ice cream maker machine. As its name suggests, this is also a built-in compressor type ice cream maker machine. This machine is better than the previous one because its capacity is slightly more, that is 2 quart, and it has some extra features also. This machine can be operated in 3 modes, that is the cooling only mode, ice cream mode and mixing only mode. You can pause the ice cream cycle in this machine by using its pause button for adding some extra foods if you need or for checking the consistency of ice cream. This machine have the stainless steel exterior and also the stainless steel bowl. This machine's motor protection function stops the motor from churning to prevent overheating or damage of motor when the mixture becomes solid. Upon completion of the cycle, this ice cream maker machine prevents the mixture from melting. This machine comes with the other features like LCD display, timer and control panel. Check out the link of this product also given in the description tab of this video. So these are the top 5 best ice cream maker machines which you can buy according to your need. I hope this video will help you to find the best ice cream maker machine for you. If you satisfied with this content, then please like this video and please do subscribe our channel to get the similar kind of videos in the future. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Till then, take care and goodbye.